me snake.
Vlog. Hey, don't be so sick. They're not gonna eat you. Vlog. Did you hear that? You mean the kids?
Oh, are you vlogging?
Yeah. So gorgeous. Sorry guys, we're just like documenting the beauties of nature and spending time outside because... Okay, can you talk instead of... No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. We're just enjoying the beauties of life.
Yeah.
I don't have my usual camera right now. Now we're on a hike. We're just trying to be aesthetic and live in the moment. Stare me trying to make that as aesthetic as possible. Oh my god. Ew. We just saw a snake. Hey guys, welcome back.
We just found a snake.
Well, we did. The reason why I'm filming this video is because being in nature is just who I am. And Angel's gonna come along with me. So I need to actually post on YouTube and get over my fear. Yep, this is proof. This is proof. I know I feel like I'm taking the same picture in videos like 10 million times, but I love it. This is so pretty. When I'm older, I want to live on a lake.
Trying to make like
We just had a deep talk with the aesthetic lake. Yeah, I feel like there's not much else to say. Here, I'll show this. Damn, that camera's good. What the fuck? What? How does it even do that? Only thing about the weather though is my hair. Mess. Let's just say that. Okay, we're still at the park and I'm trying to stay off my phone because I really actually hate my phone so much, even though good for you. Yeah, you can do that. And you can take videos and you can maybe even vlog if you want. But yeah, we're at the park. I am really tired, but I'm still gonna, maybe we should meditate. Want to meditate? No. Well, I'll meditate because I love meditating.
We're just at a park.
Nothing super special, but I love life. So pretty.